Okay, so this exercise is a wide stance assisted chair partial squat. Okay, so I want you to sit on a chair or a bench with your feet out wide, toes slightly turned out. Okay, and notice how I'm supporting myself. I'm putting my hands on the bench or the chair right in front of me, right in the center there. And I just want you to partially get up and then come back down. Okay. So we're prepping to be able to eventually come all the way up, but we're just starting with this just to kind of get you moving and get used to coming up and down off of a chair. Okay. So this one, it's just a partial. You're coming up just part of the way and then coming back down. I want to make sure you're very controlled in your movement. Okay. So I want this done slowly and under lots of control. Okay. So go out, give this a try and make it a great day.